Hey, this is TJ, the Backpack Trader, looking at the crude oil session on Thursday, April 10th. We've had extreme market volatility with huge crashes, huge run-ups, just crazy volatility. And if you've seen any of my interviews, especially recently on Dr. Steve Turley's podcast or some of the other podcasts and YouTube channels I've appeared on, you always hear me talk about how volatility is good for trading. We're not investing, we're trading, and we can make money if the markets go up or down. This is our crude oil day trade plan with my newest strategy, cloud control. And I realize there's some lines and dots and things on here that might take a little bit of getting used to, but you learn what to look at, and it's really quite simple. We start trading this at 8:50 in the morning, New York time. Right here we have a setup on the edge of the chart, and it's almost 8:49. So we might be able to take this trade if we could still grab the entry around 8:50. And that's exactly what happens. It triggers in. It's still not 8:50 yet, but a few bars, actually the very next bar, within this bar here, you're able to grab the trade. You can see it closes close to 8:52. So you have a couple minutes in there to place and grab that trade. So that's the first trade of the day. And you know it's a trade. The plus sign is always the entry. If it's below the market in red, you're going to go short, and you're going to see the short entry there as well. The stop is always above for short trades, and you have a bunch of targets down below. Now, I've already explained target one is when we move our stop to break even, plus adding a tick to cover costs. The yellow dot is when we start trailing and locking in more profit. And the second dot, the second target here, is our primary objective. If we hit it and we have a winning result, then our power of quitting rules has us closing our doors, shutting our business down for the day so that we can go off and lead a very nice life that day, the Backpack Trader lifestyle of freedom. And that's exactly what happens again. Look at how it comes down, pretty straightforward, hits a money management stop, the stop moves down, locks down a tick of profit. I teach you how to do that. It hits this target here, the stop starting to move lower, locking in more profit. It hits target 2, banks a nifty 25 ticks, comes a little lower, hits target 3. This is why we like to trade the micro contracts, because we could split up our position and take advantage of these larger targets. Target 3 makes 35 ticks, and then it comes up and stops out, and the trade is over. And it's literally another 10-minute workday, and we're done. If you'd like to learn more about cloud control, how to trade in this fashion where you can just work a few minutes a day on average, give yourself a raise by increasing your position size as you grow your account over time, and run this like a business, then you might want to check out my free training, Backpack Trader Live. You can find the link in the notes to this video. And you can always reach out to me as well, Troy at backpacktrader.com. Troy at backpacktrader.com. I answer all emails, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have and help you determine if this is something you'd like to learn and pursue. Stay tuned. The next video, we're going to go over Friday's session. So far, it's been nearly a perfect week. We've won every single session.